What's going on, traders? Just want to do another quick concept check on what the difference is between investing versus trading. When it comes to investing, you're probably taking a macro approach of what the economy is doing, what fiscal policy is doing, all the way down to what the company that you're wanting to invest in for long term is doing. So you're going to look at their financial sheets, you're going to look what their profit targets are, you're going to look if they met their profit targets, and you're probably typically going to hold on to that stock for quite some time. You're betting or speculating on their future. One good example right now is the electronic vehicles is a big thing. So a lot of people are speculating on Tesla's future, even though right now they're currently not necessarily profitable. So with trading, you're actually doing it more short term. I mean, it could be a few weeks, could be a few days, and most of you know about day trading, which is intraday time frames. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15-minute trades, in and out. So when it comes to trading, me personally, I'm a price action trader. So I'm going to look at what price is doing within that month, within that week, or within that day. And I'm going to base my trading decision on what price action is actually doing. So here we have a nice uptrend. So I would use some technical catalysts, which we would go over in more detail in other videos, to place a trade. And I would basically consider, when do I get into this trade? How do I get in this trade? I set a stop, an entry, and a target, and then I would get out whenever my target was met. So those are the basics. That's a quick explanation of what actually trading versus investing is. Investing is going to be more of a long term, so you would probably use a monthly. You would see what this company is doing on a monthly time frame or a weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame. And then versus trading, you're probably going to use one of these 5 minute, 15 minutes, hours, or days.